Hello everyone, I am Ayush, currently in class 12, aspiring to become a future IITian. I have completed Abacus and Vedic Maths courses from Ayush Academy, Walnut Excellence Education. Firstly, I would like to talk about my experience with Walnut. I have participated in 4 championships, and I would like to say championships are truly the best thing about this course. The offline championship which we used to do pre-COVID was really a fantastic experience. I was fortunate enough to win multiple trophies, and the championship is a must for any student learning Abacus or Vedic Maths. Secondly, the experience with Ayush Academy was awesome throughout. It never felt if I attended an extracurricular class. It was always something where I could just come, and it was all fun. It was basically not a class, it was somewhere we could chill with our friends, and while chilling we used to learn some very useful concepts in both Abacus and Vedic Maths. Now I would like to talk about the application of Vedic Maths. Currently I am studying for JEE exam, and in that we have physics, chemistry as well as maths. I use Vedic Maths mostly for physics and chemistry only. In maths, also it is applicable in certain chapters, but in chemistry like mole concept, it is very useful. Also for physics. Okay. And Vedic Maths is not just related to academics, it is a life skill. In shops or wherever calculations are required, you can always recheck the value if the shopkeeper is being honest with you, or in any everyday life situation. It is very useful. I would recommend it to all. Thank you, Walnut Excellence Education and Ayush Academy, and especially Rikha ma'am.